50 words and their opposites, with 2 example sentences. Big, small. The box is big. The pencil is small. Hot, cold. The soup is hot. I like cold drinks in summer. Fast, slow. He runs fast. The turtle is slow. Happy, sad. She looks happy today. He felt sad after the movie. Young, old. My brother is young. That man is very old. Tall, short. She is tall for her age. He is short but strong. Clean, dirty. The kitchen is clean now. His shoes are dirty. Light, dark. The room is full of light. It's dark outside. Open, closed. The window is open. The store is closed today. Full, empty. The glass is full. The tank is empty. Hard, soft. This chair is hard. The pillow feels soft. Easy, difficult. This test is easy. That math problem is difficult. Rich, poor. They live in a rich neighborhood. He grew up in a poor family. Strong, weak. She is strong enough to carry it. He is too weak to lift the box. Near, far. The school is near my house. The airport is far away. Early, late. I arrived early. He came late to class. Beautiful, ugly. What a beautiful dress. The building looks ugly after the storm. Right, wrong. You gave the right answer. That's the wrong key. Noisy. Quite. The party was noisy. This place is so quiet. Sunny. Cloudy. The sun is shining bright. The clouds are covering up the sun today. Healthy. Sick. I feel healthy today. He is sick with a cold. Thick. Thin. The book is thick. The paper is thin. Safe. Dangerous. This area is safe. It's dangerous to climb that cliff. Clean. Messy. My room is clean. Your desk is messy. Friendly. Unfriendly. He is friendly to everyone. The new manager is unfriendly. Sharp. Dull. The knife is sharp. This pencil is dull. Alive. Dead. The plant is still alive. The battery is dead. Dry. Wet. My clothes are dry now. Your shoes are wet. Quiet. Loud. Please be quiet in the library. The music is too loud. Cheap. Expensive. This pen is cheap. That watch is expensive. Thick. Thin. He wore a thick coat. She has thin hair. Empty. Full. The room is empty. The fridge is full. Dark. Bright. The room was dark. The sun is bright today. Wide. Narrow. The road is wide. This path is narrow. Busy. Free. I'm busy right now. I'm free this evening. Better. Worse. She's feeling better now. The weather got worse. Modern. Ancient. That's a modern building. We visited ancient ruins. Sweet. Sour. These apples are sweet. The lemon is sour. In. Out. Come in, please. Let's go out for a walk. Above. Below. The clock is above the door. The ball is below the table. Begin. End. The class will begin at 9. The movie ended late. Give. Take. Please give me food. I take my selfie. Love. Hate. I love chocolate. He hates getting up early. Win. Lose. They won the match. She lost her wallet. Come. Go. Can you come with me? I need to go now. Buy. Sell. I want to buy a bike. She sells clothes online. Push. Pull. Push the door to open. Pull the drawer gently. Stand. Sit. Please stand in line. Sit down, please. Arrive. Leave. I'll arrive at 5 p.m. We need to leave soon. Find. Lose. I can't find my keys. Don't lose your phone again.